Assalamu-Alaikum, everyone. This is Naz with Hijabz&You with another tutorial. How are you doing today? I pray inshallah you're doing okay. I make special du'as for each and every one of you, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala takes care of each and every one of you. Please, but my message to you is reach out to Him. Reach out to Him, please. I'd like to welcome each and every one of you to this channel. For those of you that have been with me from inception and has joined me along the way, thank you so much for your love and your support. It's heartwarming. Each one of you means a lot to me. And for you, if you're new here today, thank you for stopping by. Please stay. Watch to the end of the video. Check out my channel. There's so many there. And hopefully something, you'll find something interesting that you would want to stay. And if not, that's okay. I love having you here. So stick around. Watch to the end. Today is not a very long one. It's a very short video. And I hope each and every one of you that are looking will enjoy what I have to offer today. Today's tutorial is, it's very simple. It's very easy, very quick. We have these instant scarves that makes our life so much easier. Yes, we have our scarves and our shawls and our, triangle hijab and our square hijabs and all that. But there's something that's called an instant scarf. And today that's my tutorial to you. I just want to show you how easy it is to use these instant scarf. It makes life so much easy. Not everyone likes the look. Not everyone, is happy with wearing an instant scarf. But I'm telling you, I have so many dire fans of instant scarf. They just love it. And my sister is one of them. She has bought one of every color. It makes her life so much easier. So here we go. And today I've got my Ninja. See, it's nice. It's covered everything nicely. And the Ninja has a crisscross. And because it has a crisscross, I've put a tube cap on it. And this is what it looks like. It's so comfy. Nothing to worry about. I don't know your situation. I only know what mine is. But my duty here is to help you with yours. And if this is too much for you, if a Ninja is too much for you, please just use a cap only. Now for these pull-ons, you don't necessarily need to wear anything. I just feel that if you put a cap on or a tube or a Ninja, it's going to help to keep it in place. But if you can't handle anything that's too thick or too much on your head, then this pull-on hijab would work magic on its own. And I guarantee you that. And for any of you that would like any of these pull-on hijabs, please contact me below because I have all of them available. They're beautiful. They're made in Turkey. They're really, really, really beautiful quality. So here you go. And like I said, I've just got my Ninja, my cap, and this is what it looks like. It's a pull-on hijab, sorry. It looks a bit all, it's not ironed because I just took it out of the wrappings. So please forgive me for that because I'm not one to have anything that's not ironed. But I just took it out of the wrapping, out of the box and out of the wrapping. So here we go. And this is so beautiful because what happens, it has, see here? This goes under here. So it's so comfy. And you have to see what it looks like. So now I'm going to show you what an instant scarf looks like. And you make sure you center it to where the elastic is so it's sitting under your neck. And there you go. We're ready to go. Ready to go. What is that, 30 seconds? Look at that. How is that, my dear viewers? It's absolutely beautiful. And it's just making sure, you see here, see how beautiful that is? It has elastic. And look at this. It's nice and gathered. It's nice and gathered. So you have folds. It's nice full coverage. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at it in the back. Look at it here. See here? Isn't that beautiful? Like, how much easier can it get? 30 seconds. That's it. Maximum 30 seconds. And you're ready to go. See why I put my cap there? Because some people don't mind when their forehead is showing. See, I am not one. I'm one that likes to have hair as even covered, even lower is good for me. I like hair covered. I don't like my forehead showing too much. So that's why I wore the cap. But if you want to leave it like that, it absolutely I'm going to show you one without the cap so you can see what it looks like. But how beautiful is that? I just want to show you that. Look at that. See that? Isn't that beautiful? It's absolutely gorgeous. 30 seconds, you're ready to go out the door. And you can have one of every color. It's so pretty. So beautiful. Like I said, the quality is amazing because it's made in Turkey. And it's just absolutely beautiful. Look at that color. I'm wearing off-white with black, and I've got this gray. And because I've added that in there, that could work on my outfit. And I'm ready to go. I don't have any worries about, you know, oh my, look at it. It's absolute, look at the folds because of the pleats that they have stitched on here. It folds so beautifully. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, I'm going to show you another one of these pull-on hijabs. I'm going to take the cap off and show you what it looks like with another one. So stay with me. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken the tube off. I've taken that one. See here? My Ninja has a crisscross in front. And these ones are made with a crisscross. I mean, we do have them without the crisscross. We do have them with just the plain round front. But today's tutorial is just with these ones that are really so beautiful. That has a crisscross. It's got some pleats in front, pleats in the front here. And look at that. See, as I showed you before, it's got nice elastic here. So it's very comfortable. It's got the pleats here. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like without the cap. And basically you're making sure that you're this and now we don't want the black showing, so I'm just gonna, and there you go. That's what it looks like without, let's just say you're not wearing a cap or a ninja and you just want to wear this pull-on hijab, right? This is what it would look like. See that? Isn't that beautiful? How long did it take? 30 seconds. And look at how it's been created. It's so fabulous. It's absolutely fab. Look at that. I love it. I think that's what I'm going on. Do you think it would be okay if I go with that on this? No, I think the darker color would be better. But isn't that beautiful on your jeans? On your nice jeans? Wearing the blue? Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I hope you like that. I hope you're going to get some for yourself. Yes, absolutely, you must. Even for those just on the go, you know, if you don't want to wear it every day, if you're not a pull-on hijab kind of person, but you're going shopping and you want to get your hijab on and it being covered nicely and, you know, and looking very, you know, presentable and beautiful with your scarf on. Look at that. Look at how it's been created. It's got all the folds, the pleats. See that? Look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, I hope you're going to get some of these. I hope you like what you're seeing. Really, it's so beautiful. And now, you see, even with the forehead showing a bit, it's still good. Personally, I don't like it. But this is for those who doesn't mind showing the you know, the forehead a bit. See, it's got a nice crisscross. It looks like, oh my. It is absolutely beautiful. really, it looks so, how should I say? Arabian is not the right word, but it just has that really beautiful regal look to it. Really. I'm not just saying that. I'm really saying that it looks really regal. Like, you know, you have this really pretty look about you. Well, I hope you like that. It's so quick and easy, so beautiful. Just pull it on, 30 seconds, you're ready to go. You don't have to put any pins because the way it's stitched, it's really, it sits right up here. It's absolutely gorgeous. Well, my dear viewers, I hope you like that. It was not a very long video today. I just wanted to show you what you can, your options, and because we're trying to make it quick and easy. Some sisters don't like pull-on hijabs, period, and that's okay. But for those who don't mind pull-on hijabs or just want something comfortable, ready, quick, ready to go, this is your solution. So, I hope you like what you saw. I hope you enjoy this. It's so simple, so easy, so elegant, really. It's absolutely beautiful. Anyway, if you like what you saw, please hit the like button. You know, I have so many viewers. Alhamdulillah for all of you that have, you know, are joining me on this platform. But please, make sure you hit the like button. It does a lot for the person that's building the platform for you. So, you know, when YouTube, when they look at your, because they, you know, they're the owners of this platform. So when they look at your platform, if they see you have 100 views and 2 likes, something is not right. So please, if you look at the video and you like what you see, hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. And for those viewers who have subscribed already, please make sure you check that you have hit the all button so that you can get a, you know, notification of any one of my uploads. And I've been uploading every day so far. So far, so good. Alhamdulillah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving me the strength, the courage to do this. And we just need to keep going. So please hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and do subscribe to the channel. Now, until we meet again, you must take care of yourselves. Please, we live in a crazy world. Things are crazy right now. So everybody needs to be vigilant and take care of yourselves, take care of your families, take care of your neighbors, your friends, and look out for each other. It's important. We need to look out for each other. And if we see signs of anything, we must reach out to help. You know, some of us are not strong enough to reach out. So if we can't reach out, then we have to have someone else. Contact someone else who can help and reach out. You know, we have the masjids, we have the imams, we have all those brothers and sisters in the masjid that are stronger than we are, that has the ability to help someone if we don't. So at least if someone needs help and you know that they need help, reach out to someone who can help them. That is my message for you. Please, we all need to stay vigilant on helping each other. Take care of yourselves. And please, appreciate every moment. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be very happy with you if you appreciate every moment. Until we meet again, this is Naz saying Assalamu Alaikum.